Yeah.
Hey guys, MakeupSy here. Welcome back to my channel. As always, my brows are already done. Today we're not using no concealers, no foundation, no base for my eyes whatsoever. I think I did one eye with concealer and one eye without. As you guys can see, there's no concealer on my eyes except for concealing my brows. Now I have oily eyelids, so to prevent my eyeshadow from sliding off during the day, this is not technically cheating because I didn't use any base technically. So my eyes are oily, so I'm just powdering it with just setting powder so we can get started. Okay, so starting out, I'm only using 4 different brushes, and I'm using these 2 palettes, the Juvia's Place, the Zulu Palette, and the BH Cosmetic Take Me Back to Brazil. So I started out on the left eye and ended up just saying bump it. I'm gonna do it on the right eye. So the regular, the one without the base is the right eye, and the one with the base will be the left eye. Keep that in mind.
Change like your mood swings. 1 minute you blue, next minute your eyes too green. 2 things you haters hating bullshit. Before he knock you up, he meet you at that pulpit. I got a full clip loaded, just ready to shoot my shot. In the city full of shooters, they only aiming for thoughts. But you far from that, pops will have a heart attack.
So when not having no base on your eyes, you want to make sure that you do a lot of blending and a lot of packing on that color, simply because, well, we don't have any base to make the colors more vibrant. So the more you pack on, the more, I guess, bright it'll be. But in this tutorial, of course, I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply eyeshadow without any base to make it look like you have a base on. So I'll try to make the left eye, which is the one with the base, to look exactly like the one without the base. So you won't be able to tell the difference which one has base or not. So boom. Now that eye is complete, I am using this big fluffy brush by BH Cosmetics. This is in their Smokey eye collection. And I'm basically just blending out that transition shade, making it soft. So here it is. It's okay, you know, it's something new. You know, I'm so used to the base. It's so hard not to use concealer, I promise you. So the left eye is my favorite. Even though they both look the same, I was just so happy to use concealer. Girl. That base, not having it was killing me. But I had to do it for you guys because some people just don't like using a lot of product. So yeah, right here I'm just basically putting on the concealer, blending it out, nothing special. Fanning it out so it can get nice and tacky, whatever. Wacky tacky, tackyano. Don't start today, Nikki. So boom, as you guys can see, the concealer is tacky. I'm starting out doing the same exact thing, literally, as I did on the eye without the base, just on a different eye. So I'm gonna stop talking now so you guys can watch.
I love my women all through the world, but I can tell you it ain't nothing like no Chi-Town girl, yeah. I done been around different cities, state to state. You keep them running game even when you running late. I love my women all through the world, but I can tell you it ain't nothing like no Chi-Town girl, yeah. How you doing, missus? I can do it on my own. Say you independent.
Okay, yeah, so I know I said I'm gonna stop talking, but okay, so boom. I'm actually not going as hard as I would as I'm doing like any type of eye. I am doing it softly just so it can match perfectly to the other eye. I didn't want to go too crazy with packing on those colors, and plus the base, being that it's the same color as my skin tone, it's not going to be as bright as I thought you think it would be. But the lighter the concealer, the brighter the colors. So keep that in mind for anybody that wants to do eyeshadow. The brighter the concealer or brighter the base, the brighter your colors will be. So yeah.
Blue, next minute your eyes too green. 2 things you haters hating bullshit. Before he knock you up, he meet you at that pulpit. I got a full clip loaded, just ready to shoot my shot. In the city full of shooters, they only aiming for thoughts. But you far from that, pops will have a heart attack. Don't get that man arrested, we ain't talking cardiac. That's cause he raised you better, never be a slave for cheddar. You want a bad boy, but really need a Mason better. Ayy, talk of the city and girl, you know you're bad. Look at them hating, them niggas know they mad. I love my women all through the world, but I can tell you it ain't nothing like no Chi-Town girl, yeah. I done been around different cities, state to state.
Okay, so now that my lashes are on, these are Iconic in the number 21. I am about to get ready to pack on my bottom eyeshadow. This is the BH Cosmetics. Actually, this is the Juvia's Place. I don't know why I said that. But I'm basically packing this on with the BH Cos. That's why I said BH Cosmetics. A BH Cosmetics brush. This is in the Smokey Eye collection as well. And I'm just putting on those two shades. And if you guys notice, I'm not blending it out yet. I'm basically packing it on so that way those colors can be bright, seeing that I don't have any concealer on. I'm basically blending it softly but packing on that color just so it can be just as bright as the other side when I put on the concealer. See? So boom, same concealer we use on the top, we're going to use at the bottom. I'm just using this small angle brush to basically put the concealer on literally underneath my eyelashes. So I'm not putting on a lot of this. I'm literally just putting on a little, just enough where my eyeshadow is going to be. So yeah, doing the same thing on this eye, just with concealer, literally.
I love my women all through the world, but I can tell you it ain't nothing like no Chi-Town girl, yeah. I done been around different cities, state to state. You keep them running game even when you running late. I love my women all through the world, but I can tell you it ain't nothing like no Chi-Town girl, yeah. How you doing, missus? I can do it on my own. Say you independent even with a man at home. Always on your phone, barely got a dial tone. Quickest way to tune these boys out when you out alone. I've been to Cali, been to Vegas, down to MIA. I mean, them bras cool, but really all them hoes fake. Anything you got it from your mama. I ain't here to judge, just thought I'd go and give you the honors in the
Okay, so right here, I'm just cleaning up the concealer, making it look a little bit more cleaner and neater. I'm not cheating, so I'm not putting no concealer on the eye. So, yeah, I'm just cleaning it up. Okay, so I am using the Bad Girls mascara right here on my bottom lashes, and we pretty much done. Like, this was so simple, so easy for anyone who don't like using concealer on their eyelids. Not a lot of foundation. I don't even have on foundation, actually. I don't have no foundation, just lip gloss, eyeshadow, brows, and lashes. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope it was easy. I hope you guys learned from it. As always on my tutorials, I hope you guys learning. And I thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and the support. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye.